Hi guys, my name is Emil, and today I'm going to show you how to make a purchase on SharkGaming's website. Alright, first thing off, I'm going to show you how to go onto our website, just to make sure everyone's on the same page. In today's video, we're going to showcase the Swedish website. There's also a Norwegian one. If you go onto sharkgaming.com, you can choose what language you want the website to be in. So on the website, we have 3 different categories of PCs. We have MaxByte, which is beginner level, entry level PCs. We have Shark series, which is intermediate levels. And we have the Mighty Shark series, which is the high-end PCs that can run all the games you want. In today's video, we're going to showcase our MaxByte series. And we're going to showcase the PC called MaxByte Brutality. So first off, you'll notice that you can do 2 things. You can just put it in the basket, go straight ahead and buy it, or you can configure the PC. In today's video, we're going to configure the PC. So we're going to show you all the stuff you can do and how to customize the PC just to your liking. So I'm going to press configure now, and then we're going to go into the configurator. We do have pictures of the PCs that showcase how they can look, but not how the standard version look. Right here, we have our FPS counter, which shows an estimation of what the PC can have of FPS. You have different varieties of games to choose from, so you can choose a lot of different ones here. In today's video, I've showcased Counter-Strike, GTA, and Fortnite. Here is a little overhead on what kind of parts there is in the PC. A couple of pictures of the PCs as well. And down here is the configurator. So this gives you a possibility to configure a PC however you like. All the parts in the PC can be customized to your liking. Whether or not you want more RGB lighting, you want more RAM, more CPU power, or whatever you go. In this showcase, we're going to upgrade the graphics card to a little bit higher version. So I'm going to choose the 5060 Ti. You will notice that there is a little exclamation mark if I choose to go with this graphics card. This means that the website will point out that there is a part that needs to be changed before you can actually change the graphics card. In this case, we want a bigger power supply because this graphics card requires a bigger power supply. So that's what we're going to choose. If you scroll down a little bit on the website, you can see that you can also change the case, you can add more fans, you can add custom prints, etc., etc. You can also grab gear for your PC. So if you need a screen, a mouse, anything else, headset, whatever, we have it. Also, we do have a collected discount that you can have if you buy a screen with the PC. And in the end here, you can, if you want, make it an expedited production case for a small amount of money, which means that we cut the building process in half, so you'll have your PC faster. When all of this is done, you can put it in the basket. So now we're in the basket. You can review your purchase in details and go through all the parts that are here. For this moment, we want to go straight to the checkout. So here, you can write all your information down. Once you've written down all your information, you can go ahead and order your PC either to your home address, or you can come pick it up at our store here in Denmark. For this purpose, we're going to do a pickup at the Danish store here. Here's a showcase on all the different payment methods we have on the website that you can make. For this video's purpose, we're going to do a bank transfer because then we can complete the whole order. When you do a bank transfer, it will tell you right here how to transfer the money and what you need to write in regards to information for your order. So now we're gonna end the order here. So that's it. Now you bought your gaming PC from SharkGaming. We will give out your order number and order confirmation to your email as soon as you made the purchase. And that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.